I have seen so many talented individuals who really does have a potential to become a voiceover talent just shy away from pursuing their dream because why? They feel that they're too old or too young to start their voiceover career. But in today's video, I'm here to tell you that age is nothing but a number, even in the voiceover industry. So if you're ready, let's get started. Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to Speak Easy. It's going to be a casual show today, and I do apologize in advance if the AC is blasting in the background and if you can hear it. I'm sorry, but it's just summer here where I'm from, and I'm from the Philippines, and it's super hot, and I just can't record a video without it being on. And that is also the reason why I have a new background because I had to turn the table around so that the AC is there and my microphone is pointing here because I do have a sensitive mic. All the same, I am so sorry if you can still hear it in the background. I do have to turn it off when I have a voiceover order. Anyway, welcome back to Speak Easy. If this is the first time we are meeting, my name is Anna. I am a freelance voice over talent, and really the purpose of this channel is to help you, yes you, to help you out with starting off your voiceover career. So if this is something that you might be interested in, you might consider subscribing to the channel and also tapping that notification bell. It's really helpful for you to find out if I have new videos out. Okay, so let's get on with what we're here to talk about. Now, as you know, on this channel, I am really passionate about sharing my tips and tricks on how to pursue a voiceover career, especially in this day and age. Guys, technology is on our side. We can actually have a voiceover business. We can do it at the comfort of our own home. Now, I'm not telling you that it's going to be easy. There are basic requirements, and I've already dealt with that in another video. So if you want to, you can go ahead and check it out. I'll link it up here or down at the description box. Well, anyway, my point is there are basic requirements for you to become a voiceover talent, but I'm telling you, age is just not one of them. It should not factor in your decision on whether you should pursue this career or not. And I am here to tell you why. So let's start with reason number one. The first reason is there really is no age limit to being a voiceover talent. If you are a little older, having a mature voice can really be an asset in the industry. It's easier for you to exude authority, trust, and experience. So, if you have a naturally deep voice full of wisdom, there are certain projects that are perfect just for you. And it's the same thing if you're younger. Freshness and vibrancy, though not impossible, is really hard to match if you're not young yourself. In short, there are just so many projects out there with a variety of requirements that voiceover talents, whether young or old or in between, can definitely share. Now, if you've gone to a studio or maybe an agent and you've been told that you're either too young or too old to be a voiceover talent, well, then that brings me to my second point, which is technology. And I know I've mentioned that in the beginning, but really, technology is on our side. Technology has made it so much easier for us to record ourselves and make it really possible for us to have a voiceover business run in the comfort of our own home. Because with a good microphone and a quiet space and your talent as a voiceover, you can record and submit your auditions or your voiceover work to your client without having to leave your house. Plus, you can enjoy having direct clients or getting voiceover jobs from different online platforms. This basically means that you can be a successful voiceover talent wherever you live and whatever your age is. Now, before we move on to the third reason why your age shouldn't stop you from pursuing a voiceover career, let me ask you to give me a thumbs up if you're finding value in this video. You might also want to share this video to that friend of yours who also wants to be a voiceover talent. Finally, the third reason is that social media has made it so easy for us to market ourselves and put ourselves out there to find our own clients. You see, by building a strong online presence and showcasing your talent on social media, You can attract new clients and actually build a reputation as a voice talent, whatever your age is. You just need to educate yourself and figure out how to get yourself out there. And if you really do want to make this a business, you're going to have to believe in your product, which is what? Your voice. But as with all businesses, it will require hard work, especially if you're just starting out. Now, to be honest with you, I have been getting a lot of questions about if age really does matter in pursuing a voiceover career, but most of them are from the older bracket. So, my next point is especially for you guys. But before that, let me just tell you how you can support me and this channel. Really, the easiest way to support me is by liking the videos that you see and also subscribing to the channel. The second part might require a little more of your time, but it really does help me, and that is by not skipping any of the ads that are played on my videos. Another way you can support me is by hitting the super thanks at the bottom of the screen. It's the heart sign with a dollar sign in it. Now, really, no matter how you choose to support me, please do know that I'm very grateful and you are the reason why this channel can keep on going. Now, here's my advice to my older friends who really want to pursue voiceover. Let me tell you that experience counts for a lot in this industry. If you've had a long, varied career, you likely have a wealth of experience that you can actually draw from when you're voicing different characters or narrating a script. And this can really give you an edge over younger voiceover talents who might not have the same level of experience. So cheer up and just go for it. And there you have it. Now you know that your age should never be a barrier for pursuing your passion in voiceover. Whether you're young or old, experienced, or just starting out, there is room for you in this exciting and rewarding career. So go out there. Create some amazing demos. Go for those auditions and show the world what you're capable of. And if you need help in putting together your do it yourself demo reel, click on the link and I'll see you there. And so, my voiceover friends, may your inbox be full of notifications. May you nail all your auditions. May you always have smooth recording sessions. And may your clients never ask for revisions. And with that, I'll wish you all a fantastic day and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!